Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find your card collection on the MangaTOON application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the Mine section at the lower right corner of the screen, and here you can find the manga card option and step on it. And here go to the card icon on the upper right corner of the screen, and here you can find your card collection. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.